Hey guys, I got a customer request to make 4 hooks. Just basically these kind of hooks. This is one that I've already made. So, got the stock. I don't have much other than a picture to go off of. I think I've got this one. So, hooks aren't hard, but I'm not sure exactly what I'm making. But here we go. I'm just going to draw this piece out into a point. Alright, feeling better about that. It's going to come down about 2 inches. So we'll go 2 inches, bends about 1 inch, goes back up. Down about 2 inches, taking a 1 inch bend. This section needs to be tapered thin because it's a real fine hook. It's a nasty looking little thing actually. Little hook. There it is. Man, it is unbelievably cold out here. Nose is red, fingers have gone about numb, but we've got 5. I made 6, but one of them I really don't like. It just didn't turn out right. Not a big deal, that'll happen. But we have 6 hooks. So I took them over and just did a quick grind. That is more or less what they look like. Just making sure that they're nice and pointy. And so what I'm going to do next, much to my joy, is fire the forge back up. And I'm just going to heat these up and quench them in oil so that they turn black and have that more antique look. All right. So after getting them blackened up, that's what they look like. Kind of all splayed out there, but they look a little more antique. So that was the request. And it's pretty darn close to the picture. I wonder if in the picture they flattened this out though. I couldn't quite tell. I wanted to see them in person, but I think they have a nice old blackened appearance. And so they should go to the wall. I think it's gonna be a pain to nail them, but that's how they are. So I think personally, I would have dropped to the point below where you're gonna nail, but oh well, whatever. Gotta get myself back inside though. It is about 4 degrees in the shop, but it's pretty cold. I'm gonna call it a day. So thanks for watching.